Hey guys, my name is Gabriel Cuesta, and today I'll be solving number 8 from quiz chapter 29. The problem goes as follows. 1 second. It goes, the 3 loops of wire shown in the figure are all subject to the same uniform magnetic field, B, that does not vary with time. Loop 1 oscillates back and forth as it bobs in the pendulum. Loop 2 rotates about a vertical axis. Loop 3 oscillates up and down because it has a spring in it. Which loop or loops will have an EMF inducement? So 1 and 3 automatically do not have them because they're having a constant change in motion, which is like doesn't show consistent. It doesn't show like a consistent basically EMF. It doesn't show EMF because it's not moving at a consistent rate. However, I'm assuming that loop 2 spins at a pretty like consistent or like fixed rate. It's going in the same direction, clockwise or counterclockwise, doesn't matter. At first I thought 3 could have been because it has a spring attachment, but they're not talking about the spring, they're talking just about the movement of the ring. So 3 is out because it's moving up and down. So that leaves only loop 2 as the answer. Basically because it has a consistent movement and it's spinning. Alright, thank you very much. Have a great day.